In 2013, the Indian Navy welcomed a new flagship, the INS Vikramaditya. This aircraft carrier, a symbol of India's growing naval might, arrived after a long journey. Originally, the Admiral Gorshkov, it was purchased by India in 2004. The goal was to modernize the Indian Navy and project power across the Indian Ocean. The acquisition represented a major step forward for India's naval ambitions. The road to acquiring and refitting Vikramaditya was long and arduous. The project faced delays, technical challenges and spiralling costs. The initial agreement set the cost at $800 million, but this figure was wildly optimistic. Russia soon demanded a significantly higher price. The final price ballooned to over $2 billion. This led to significant criticism within India. Many questioned the investment in a Soviet-era carrier. Despite setbacks, India remained committed. The Navy understood the strategic importance of a modern carrier. Vikramaditya would become the centerpiece of India's carrier battle group, enhancing India's ability to conduct operations far from its shores. The Vikramaditya underwent a complete overhaul at the Sevmash shipyard in Russia. The transformation was extensive. The ship's hull was reinforced, and its internal systems were completely modernized. The flight deck was redesigned to accommodate a short takeoff but arrested recovery, or STOBAR configuration. This STOBAR configuration was crucial for the Vikramaditya's new role. It allowed the carrier to operate a diverse air wing, including MiG-29K fighter jets, Kamov helicopters, and airborne early warning aircraft. These aircraft provided India with a potent mix of offensive and defensive capabilities. The Vikramaditya's modernization wasn't limited to its air wing. The carrier was also equipped with advanced radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and long-range surface-to-air missile systems. These systems significantly bolstered its defensive capabilities and survivability. Section 4. Power projection in the Indian Ocean. The induction of the INS Vikramaditya into the Indian Navy came at a time of growing geopolitical complexity in the Indo-Pacific region. China's rapid naval expansion and assertive posture in the Indian Ocean region raised concerns in New Delhi. The Vikramaditya, with its operational range and strike capabilities, significantly enhanced India's ability to project power and protect its maritime interests. It provided a credible counterbalance to China's growing naval presence. The carrier's presence in the Indian Ocean sent a clear message about India's determination to safeguard its strategic sea lanes and regional interests. The Vikramaditya also allowed the Indian Navy to enhance interoperability with partner navies. The carrier has participated in numerous joint exercises with navies from the United States, Japan, Australia, and other countries. These exercises help build trust and improve coordination, crucial for addressing shared maritime challenges. Section 5. A powerful symbol. The INS Vikramaditya, despite its troubled development, has become a powerful symbol of India's growing naval prowess. Its presence in the Indian Ocean serves as a reminder of India's determination to play a larger role in global maritime affairs. While expensive, the Vikramaditya provides India with a powerful tool for deterrence, power projection, and regional stability. The Vikramaditya is not just a warship, it's a floating testament to India's technological capabilities and its commitment to securing its maritime future. As the geopolitical landscape continues to evolve, the INS Vikramaditya will undoubtedly continue to play a crucial role in safeguarding India's interests in the Indo-Pacific and beyond.